This is Sidewinder Jerry here. I'm going to make a little quick video about my bike and go through some of its features. Of course, I have a nice size little buggy here that I can pull things in, and I can put about 200 pounds in it. It connects down here, and as you can see, I've got both front and rear disc brakes. I used a Schwinn Sidewinder mountain bike to do this build with. I have a lockable toolbox, ammo box. I have a side basket. I use a long kickstand on this because it's somewhat top heavy, and I use this to help hold the kickstand up while I'm riding. I have both front and rear signal lights. This is my brake light. It will actually come on as I slow down. It's on a suspension seat post with a spring-loaded seat, so very comfortable. I have a see-through gas tank, 5 quarts. This here is a triple chainring shift kit. I have my loud horn. I have my low volume horn. Of course, a headlight. I have a kill switch. Mirrors. This here is the alarm that's in my tail light brake light. I have a speedometer, tachometer, cell phone holder. This is the switch for my signal lights. Pedestrian bell. These are the switches for my 2 horns. The shifter uses a color system. It's red gears, the first small chain ring, the middle chain ring is yellow, and the large chain ring is green. And then the same on my rear sprockets. 1 through 3 is red, 3 through 5 is yellow, and 5 through 7 is green. This enables me to do roughly about 30 on level ground, and I can go up pretty much any hill. Of course, I have a little water bottle holder and things of that nature, and I carry some locks, U-bolt, and a cable lock. And that's pretty much it. I have the Robin Subaru engine, little gas valve in it, which is a 4-stroke. I use a Staten incorporated gearbox. And I enjoy riding my little old bike, and hope to be taking you on some adventures here very soon.